Hi guys, we're going to
East Street Market.
East Street Market with Nipa and Raju.
It's busy.
Yeah, it's busy. So let's go. So East Street Market is a place where we can find cheap,
Yeah.
affordable, fresh vegetables and fish.
Yes.
Yeah. So join us with this Lola. What's this? Yeah. This is a trolley. So let's go. So we are going to wait here or there?
No. Okay, stop gate.
Okay. So we're going to stop K. Oh, today's weather is so good. Yeah. So here in the UK, strictly the buses stop on the bus stop. Yeah. So if you wait, other than the bus stop, ignore. Yeah, there. So you can Google which bus stop, which way you want to go. So dito kailangan lagi ka nakatingin sa maps pag hindi mo pa kabisado. Google Maps, yan, or mga apps. So yan, katulad yan, nasa bus stop K, nakita natin na bus stop K. So doon tayo makakasakay. And nakasulat naman doon kung number 148. Yan. So yun yung bus stop. Papunta dun sa gusto natin punta. And tap lang yung payment sa mga bus. So ito yung double decker nila na bus. Yan. So sunny day dyan, and sobrang masaya kapag ka sunny day kasi minsan lang mag sunny day dito. So ayan, nasa East Street na kami, and ipe-press mo lang yung button na yan, tapos parang mag-ting, ganyan. bago pa mag-stop or bago dumating dun sa bus stop, kasi pag hindi mo siya na-press, lalagpas na siya dun sa bababaan mo. So sa susunod na bus stop ka pa makakababa. So, ayan, maraming choices dito. Usually kasi sa grocery lang ako bumibili kasi wala na akong time pumunta pa sa mga market. Yan. So, dito ka makakita ng mga vegetables at fruits na sa isang bowl or bowl. Yan, 1 pound lang, ganun. So, ayan, ito yung mga mabibili natin. Ayan. Yan yung mga gulay na yan. So, dapat marunong ka lang tumingin kasi may mga iba na hindi na fresh. May mga iba na may fresh pa talaga. Pero sulit na. 1 pound, you know. Ayan, oh. Mga fresh pa yan. Maraming mga fresh din dyan. Yan. Tigi isang bowl niyan. Bowl ba o bowl? Ayan. Ayan, 1 pound lang ang isa niyan. So, talagang sulit. Maraming choices actually. Medyo hindi lang talaga ako mahilig lumabas dito. Pero yun, kung gusto mo talaga ng fresh foods, dito ka pwedeng pumunta. Yan. Marami ding tao. Tingnan nyo kanina maaraw tapos biglang windy. So, dito naman yung mga mga fish. Oo. Kahit medyo hapon na yata yan, may mga fish pa rin. Yan, at vegetables. So, this is what we bought. Charan! And that one. And that one. Yeah. And we will see how much we have spent here with this much. Right, that's much. So we are now here at the bus stop. Well. So there, ayan, makikita mo dyan kung ilang minutes na lang yung bus na inaantay mo. At yan ulit si double decker na bus. Ayan, pasakay na kami. At pauwi na kami. Ito, bilihan to ng mga plants. This is the way pabalik sa amin. Medyo gumagawa ko ng cinematic effect. Ayan, pati yung pagbukas ng pinto. Ayan, kunwari, cinematic.
So, yun na nga guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. We're here at home. And, taramag. Ano tawag mo? Yung tingin ng mga tingin. Okay. So, ikutin natin kung magkano lahat. Imagine guys, ito ay 1 pound. So, isa-isa yung natin ang ganyan. Okay, and sasabihin ko sa inyo kung magkano lahat yung nagastos natin. Ayan. 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 We are going to do the haul. So, there is... Oh my gosh, my English. There. Okay, here it all. So, this is all what we have bought. So, this one is 1 pound. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is all 1 pound. So, 5. And this one is 5.
That's one as well.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pounds only for all of this. And this one is 9 pounds. This salmon is 9 pounds. So it's like you bought a lot and it's just 11 pounds. So all in all, this is 20 pounds, including the fish.
See you on my next vlog.
And the fruits and vegetables is only 11 pounds.